How does the add to cart metric relate to Amazon PPC performance? So when it comes down to add to cart metric and Amazon PPC ads, whenever someone is adding your product to their cart, but did not convert it on sale, it's still going to help you rank organically, which is something cool that I recently, came across. So technically, it's going to help you with ranking now. Amazon does wants you to finish the funnel, right? So someone saw their product, someone added it to the cart, then someone purchased it. Why I believe personally, now I might be totally wrong, but I believe this is the logic behind it. Why I believe that whenever someone is clicking on the product and then they're adding it to the cart, would relate to your Amazon PPC performance later is that I know myself, whenever it comes down to shopping, even if it's both high, expensive, 50 plus product or under $50, I would still add them to cart anyhow, and then keep it for later when I am actually going to consider and make a decision. Especially this is happening for products that I have not purchased before, or I'm still thinking of, should I purchase this, should I not, or comparing them to other products. Now, if it's a product that I already purchased and I know clearly that this is the product I'm looking for, I'm clicking on their ad, I'm adding it to the cart, I'm buying it. So in that sense, again, it's a clear conversion path. So that's going to affect Amazon PPC ads. But what I noticed on my end, even add to carts is still going to affect or impact in a positive way your listing, because at least someone considered your listing rather than they just look at the other side, what other possible outcomes could have been. One, they just skipped the product. So they never, even if they saw your product, they never clicked on it. And two, they just clicked on it and never added it to the cart. So that's why I'm saying that it's still going to help you with organic ranking. It's not going to give you the same boost as if when someone is purchasing the product right away.